Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Forte headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Then gather your tools like a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. You'll access the headlight assembly from under the hood, disconnect the electrical connector, and carefully remove the old bulb. Finally, insert the new one and test it. To begin, open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or screws to gain clear access. It's important to identify the correct bulb type for your Kia Forte before you start. Always make sure your engine is completely off and cool to prevent any burns or electrical issues. Once you have access, carefully twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector securely until you hear a click. After installing the new bulb, it is crucial to test it immediately to ensure it functions correctly. Reinstall any covers or screws you removed, making sure everything is secure. If needed, adjust your headlight aim for optimal visibility and safety on the road. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to these amazing socks, plus other great deals and resources to help with your car maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.